Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the YouTube channel Blended Learning with Success. By the end of this video, we will be able to understand the concept of discounts and proceeds, able to solve problems on discounts and proceeds. Discounts and proceeds. Sometimes banks deducts the simple interest from the loan amount at the time that the loan is made, and the deducted amount is called discount, and the amount the borrower receives is the proceeds. Let me try to understand with an example. For example, this person needs money. He went to the bank to borrow money, and the bank approved a loan of 5,000 riyals to this person for 3 years with 10% interest rate on 5,000 riyal. It is simple interest is 1,500 riyals. So here in the discounts, they will deduct the simple interest from the loan amount at the time that the loan is made. So immediately they will remove this 1,500 from 5,000. So after deduction of interest of real 1,500, this person receives 3,500 only. From the amount 5,000, this 1,500 is deducted, removed, and this person will receive only 3,500 riyals. But he has to pay riyals 5,000 in 3 years to the bank. He has to pay 5,000 riyals to the bank. So this is about the discounts and proceed. Now let me learn the terminologies of this one. Interest amount deducted is called discount. In this example, interest was 1,500 riyals. This 1,500 riyal is the discount. Interest amount deducted, removed from this the given amount is the discount. And the amount that the borrower receives, borrower is this person here, he received amount, okay, from the 5,000 he received only 3,500 riyals. This 3,500 riyals is the proceeds. The amount that the borrower receives is known as proceeds. Received amount is the proceed, and the amount that the borrower has to repay is called maturity value. Here he has to pay, in this example, 5,000 riyals he has to pay to the bank. This 5,000 riyals is the maturity value. This is about discounts and proceeds. Hope you understood the concept of discount and proceed. Let me learn the rules, formulas to compute discount and proceeds. Formula to compute discount D is MRT, where M is the maturity value, R is the discount rate, and T is the time, the duration of the loan. T is the time in years. This is about discounts and the proceed. Now formula to compute proceeds is E is equal to M minus T, where M is the maturity value and D is the discount. This also can be written as P is equal to M into 1 minus R T. So these are the rules to find proceeds, and these are the rules to find compute the discount. Let me see the problems based on this. The question number 1. James Bond signed simple discount note agreeing to pay riyals 4,600 for a term of 2 years at Arab Bank. The bank subtracted the discount of 12% and gives the rest to James Bond. Find the amount of the discount and the proceed. Now, first you write what is given in the question. Given is 4,600 riyals. This is the amount he has to pay back to the bank. The amount the borrower has to pay is the maturity value. So given in the question is M, which is 4,600 riyals for a term of 2 years, means T is given, duration of the loan, which is 2 years, and he has given the discount rate. Discount rate is how much? 12%. 12%. This percentage you have to convert into decimal. Divide it by 100. So 12 by 100 is equal to 0.12. So given is MTR. Now required to find the amount of discount. What is the discount? Deducted interest amount. D is required to find, and the proceeds. The amount that the borrower receives is the proceed, and we need to find proceed. Two things is required to find in this question. Let me start. Formula to compute discount is D is equal to MRT. So D is required to find. M is given in the question 4,600 riyals and R is 0.12 multiply T, which is time 2 years. So on multiplying this 3, we will get riyals 1,104. So this is the discount, this is the interest, okay, which is deducted on this amount. And let's find proceeds now. Formula to compute proceed, P is equal to M minus D, which implies M is how much? 4,600 riyals minus D. It is given here, we got it, riyals 1,104. Subtracting on this 2, we will get P is equal to riyals 3,496. This is the proceed, this is the amount which this James Bond has received. Thus the bank deducted amount, which is 1,104 riyals from 4,600 riyals and given riyals 3,496 to James Bond. Let me see one more example. Abdullah borrowed riyals 3,500 at a discount rate of 10%. Find the proceeds if the length of the loan is 270 days. First write the given. What is given here? 3,500. What is this 3,500? Is the maturity value. He has to borrow. Abdullah borrowed. This is the borrowed amount. The amount borrower has to pay is the maturity value. So M is 3,500 at a discount rate of 10%. R, discount rate. What is 10%? Now convert this decimal into decimal. Divide it by 100. So 10 by 100 is equal to 0.1. And what is next is given? The duration of the loan, that is T, 270 days. Now convert these days to years. We have to convert this into years. So for this, divide by 360. On dividing, we will get 0.75. So we got T is 0.75, R 0.1, M 3,500 riyals. Now what is the question? Find the proceed. So we know formula to compute proceed. I am going to use the second rule. P is equal to M into 1 minus R T. Here we need to find the value of P, and M is here 3,500 and 1 minus, I will keep same here, R, which is 0.1 multiply 0.75 into 0.75, which is equal to this 0.1 into 0.75 is equal to 1 minus 0.075. Now subtracting this one, riyals 3,500 into 1 minus 0.075 is equal to 0.925. Multiply these two, we will get 3,237.5 riyals. This is the proceeds. This is the proceeds. Thus Abdullah will gets riyals 3,237.5 riyals. Okay, this is the amount that Abdullah is received. Now last example problem. Sultan needs riyals 400 to renovate his car showroom at a discount rate of 8% for a year. Find the amount of the loan he should ask for so that his proceeds are riyals 400. So how much loan he should ask? Okay, that is our question. So now the solution given is, first you write the given. What is given? 400 riyal. So he needs 400 riyal, means nothing but that is the proceeds, the amount that the borrower receives. He needs 400 riyal. That is the proceed. P is 400 riyals. What is next is given? Discount rate. Discount rate is R, 8%. Now convert this percentage to decimal, divide it by 100. 8 by 100 is equal to 0.08. Next is for a year. The time, the duration of the loan, only 1 year. That is 1 year. So given P or T, required to find the amount of the loan to pay. He has to pay. The amount borrower has to pay. The amount of the loan. That is the maturity value. M is our question. So for this, I will use the formula of the proceeds. P is equal to M into 1 minus R T. Given here P, which is 400 riyals, is equal to M is required to find 1 minus, I will write same, R is here 0.08 into T, which is only 1. On multiplying these two, we will get the same, M into 1 minus 0.08. Subtract here, 1 minus 0.08 will be equal to 0.92. Now take this to the other side of the equation. We will get 400 divided by 0.92 is equal to M. On simplification, using the calculator, approximate value for this is 434.8, which is M. Or we can write M is equal to 434.8. So this is the maturity value. So thus Sultan has to pay 434.8 riyals. Means this is the amount he has to ask for. 434.8 riyals he has to ask for a loan. So hope you understood different type of problems I have solved. Hope the complete concept on discount and proceed is clear for you. If any more question, you can write in a comment box. Also watch video on simple interest with detailed explanation with Arabic translation to understand the complete concept of simple interest. Link is available in the below description box. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Mas salam.